Hey, what's up YouTube? This is GB's. Sorry that I didn't actually show you guys the opening in this video, but that's because my recorder or assistant helper went to sleep, so I couldn't do it both, and I'm using an iPhone, so it's pretty hard. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you the good stuff I pulled, ignoring all the other comments. So I got Beetle and Avenger, and these are the hollows. Snifus Secret, Ulti Intercept, Ultra Breeze, Ultra Infinity Doom Dragon, Launcher, Mirage, and yeah. Pretty good box, but definitely could be better, but I think, yeah, it's pretty good. And I guess to make up for the box, I'll show you guys the opening of these champion packs. I got 6 of them. So, alright. Let's see. Okay, one sec. Elemental Hero Ocean, Rare, Vanity's Fiend, Dark World Dealings, Doom Shaman, another Doom Shaman, and last pack already and no hollows. Well, I guess that's fair enough since there's only 4 supers and 1 ultra, so the ratio is pretty low, so it's pretty hard to pull hollow here. Yep, Dark World Dealing. Alright, fortunately that's only good from the champion packs, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you guys see anything you're interested in, feel free to PM me an offer, hook me up, and we'll try to settle something out from there. So yeah guys, sorry about before. Haven't been making videos lately because I've been really busy. My very first year of college, and I don't know what the heck is going on. It's gonna take a while to get used to. And yeah, hopefully everything will start to settle down, and I'll be able to get more stuff and make more videos. But yeah, thanks guys for those who stay subscribed to me. Thank you guys, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Peace out.